This is your weekly reminder to go outside and connect to nature. So this week I'm getting my inspiration again from our Beneath the Canopy Autumn e-booklet, and the invitation I am going with is underneath a tree. So it says, find a spot where you can lay comfortably under the trees. Look up and focus your attention on what is going on above you. For this invitation, I always like to set a timer for 10 or 20 minutes and just think about nothing, observing the treetops until the timer goes off.